What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to work on the midgate. We're going to put some body filler, make sure it looks nice and smooth, and then we're going to start the sanding. But let's get to the first step, which is the body filler. So let's get started, guys. Woo! Ready, guys, so here we have it. So what I did was I sealed up all the edges, I sealed up all the creases where we joined the metal. That way there isn't any sharp parts, and why did I stutter there? That way there isn't any sharp parts, and it also is gonna give a good seal. That way no water gets in, nothing gets in, and it wouldn't cause any rust from the inside. What we're gonna do now is bondo. So I already put the first stage of bondo on the front side, but I have to do the stage of bondo on the rear of this. We also have to fill up some of these holes. Maybe I might bondo that as well, or just weld a piece of metal around it, but I think the bondo might just be the better thing. Sand everything down after it's fully bondoed. So basically what I'm doing right here is just bondoing those creases, because this should be good, and then bondoing wherever else may not be as flat. I might be running out of bondo, so I may need to get some, and if that's the case, I gotta continue this in to tomorrow's episode because we're basically almost out of bondo and everywhere is closed. So I'm gonna flip this on the flip side and start bondoing the other side, and then we can move on to sanding, and primer, then wet sanding, then rhino line. So let's get it. So we finally ran out of bondo. There it is. That's all we got. So tomorrow I'm gonna have to run to the store, pick up some more bondo, fill this up, and get it prepped to looking right. Once we get that, we can prime it. Well, after we sand it, then we can prime it. Then we can focus on wet sanding, and then we can put our rhino liner on. Probably even then we don't even have to wet sand or anything, because once the rhino liner goes on, it's already gonna have this kind of rough look to it. So we can probably skip that step. Not 100% sure, but we'll see how it goes. I really want this to turn out right, so maybe we'll just do the whole entire... Is that the moon? No, that's the light. We'll just do the entire process of how it's supposed to go. So far what we did today, sealed it, not primered it, sealed it, bondoed it, and it's coming along great. Look at that. Those are the two pegs for the, the midgate to help it open and close. And after that, we'll get some magnets and so on and so forth with our project. And then we can finally move on to the front bumper. We're taking one thing at a time. Also, guys, leave in the comment section below for me what size tires and rims I should get for this, because I'm not really that great when it comes to tire stuff and rim stuff. So if you all want to help your boy out, do the research on the tracker for me and see what nice off-roading tires and rims we should get, or just off-roading tires in general, something a little bit bigger, and that'd be cool. And I can just put these up for sale, whatever is already on it. That way we can use that money to purchase what we need for this off-roading build. And if you guys did like this video, please make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe if you're not already a subscriber to the channel. And I will see you guys for tomorrow's episode. Peace.